G'day, I'm Adam Hills. Join me along with Alex Brooker, Josh Widdicombe and Johnny Vegas.
I did it! Sorry. He was a bit of a twat and he's under some carpet. In Taylor Park. He always shouted at dogs. Sorry, go on. I made sure they made eye contact. I was going to go down the back, but I thought, I want you to fucking know who did this.
2 more.
Oh, fucking hell. I once had a wank over a nun. I used to piss in the bath and pretend I was James Bond and it was acid. And I used to sit there and, like, work out how long I'd go without telling them the answers to everything they wanted to know. Anyway, let's do this. Feels good to get it off your chest.
Here we go.
It's nice to share it with a live audience. Right, go on.
I'm snotty. 3, 2. G'day, I'm Adam Hills. Join me along with Alex Brooker, Josh Widdicombe. I'm so sorry. I was holding it together. And you know, all he did was...
No, I'll do nothing, sorry.
Okay. Oh, shit, this is going to take forever.
I expect you to smell of piss, Mr. Bond.
Oh, why am I crying in the promos?
I saw a bloke catch a carp and put his penis in its mouth and I told no one. He should have lost his fucking rod licence. I should have at least wrote a strongly worded letter to the Angling Association.
Okay. Yep.
Balls deep he was in. And you know what fish are like? They look shocked enough, don't they? It's not the natural environment.
Horrible.
Teletubbies.
I used to have Teletubbies. They're joyous things. Blobby is evil.
Right, it's the final question of the Big Fat Quiz of the 90s, and to ask it, we're honoured to have one of the decade's most iconic stars. Please welcome... Apologies, Jack. Mr. Blobby.
Oh.